Hi, Namaste. I am Gowthami. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are following each and every step of step-by-step guide on how to speak English fluently. I hope you are watching each and every video without skipping any video. Trust me, each and every video is going to have its own importance. Please trust me and trust this process of learning English, and you will definitely become fluent in speaking English. In today's video, I am going to tell you 100 common English phrases that will be useful to you to speak regularly. Okay, let's start without any delay. Before that, I would be very happy if you smash that like button and immediately share this video to your friends and family members. Hello, hello, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good evening. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is. My name is. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How's it going? How's it going? What's up? Long time no see. Long time no see. When you did not see a person for a very long time and you have met them, then you can use this phrase. Long time no see. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? It is a very common phrase to ask someone what is your job or where are you working. Okay? To have a living. Where are you from? Where are you from? It is a very common phrase to use when you want to ask someone their native place. Okay? Their place of birth. Where are you from? How old are you? How old are you? Excuse me. Excuse me. Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Sorry. Sorry. Can I help you? Can I help you? I am going to tell you now an advanced phrase of this, that is, can I give you my hand? Can I give you my hand? It means that can I help you? Same meaning, but this is somewhat advanced phrase than can I help you? Okay? Can I help you? Can I give you my hand? I don't understand. I don't understand. Are you able to understand this video? Let me know in the comments. If you don't understand anything, write in the comments, I don't understand. Tricky, right? Let us see how many of them comments I don't understand. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? If you are in a conversation and you did not catch the words or the meaning of something that someone has said, then you can ask them to repeat it again. Okay? Instead of telling, please repeat it again, you can use this phrase. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? What time is it? What time is it? I know that nowadays, rarely, very rarely, we are using this phrase. What time is it? Because we have mobile. We have our best friend mobile in our hands, right? What time is it? Right now the time is 4 o'clock in the evening. What time is it in your place? Put it in the comments. Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm bored. I am bored. I am excited. I am excited. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm sad. How's the weather? How's the weather? It is one of the topic I have suggested you to practice English speaking, right? How's the weather? It's sunny. It's windy. It's rainy. It's cold. It's hot. How's the weather? I like it. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I love it. I love it. That's great. That's great. Are you new to my channel and subscribed right now? That's great. That's awesome. That's awesome. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. If you have heard a news that makes you feel unhappy, then you can use this phrase. I'm sorry to hear that. Take care. Take care. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you later. See you later. See you soon. See you soon. Goodbye. Goodbye. Yes, I agree with you. Yes, I agree with you. No, I'm not on your side. No, I'm not on your side. Maybe, maybe, or you can simply say perhaps. Perhaps. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to speak Tamil. I don't know. I know. I know. I know how to speak English. I know. I am good at. I am good at. I am good at speaking Telugu. I am good at. That's okay. That's okay. Can you speak slower? Can you speak slower? Some people rush while speaking. If you can't understand, then you can simply say them. Can you speak slower? Can you write it down? Can you write it down? What's this? What's this? What's this? Put it in the comments. After I read the comment, then I will get to know whether you have watched the whole video or not. What's this? How do you say in English? How do you say in English? I want you to pronounce that word. Or you can also ask, how could you spell? How could you spell? The answer is pretty. 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 Can you recommend a restaurant? Can you recommend a restaurant? It is not restaurant, it's a restaurant. Okay, only 2 syllables. Remember, restaurant, restaurant, not restaurant. Can you recommend me a restaurant? If I go to a new place, I would definitely share it with all of you people. Then you need to suggest me a good restaurant. Can you recommend me a restaurant? Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? How much does it cost? How much does it cost? Where can I buy? Where can I buy? How do I get to? How do I get to? If you want to know the route of a particular place, then you can use this phrase. For example, if you are in Hyderabad and new to that place, then you can ask, how do I get to the Charminar? How do I get to the Charminar? If you are in Vishakhapatnam, then you can ask, how do I get to RK Beach? Can you recommend a hotel? Can you recommend a hotel? If you are new to a place and you don't know which hotel is comfortable, then you can ask someone, can you recommend a hotel? Can I have a menu, please? Can I have a menu, please? Can I have a menu, please? When you walk inside the restaurant, have your seat and you don't find menu on your table, then you can call the waiter and ask, can I have a menu, please? I would like to order. I would like to order. Once you have thought of what you need to order, then you can add on. I would like to order a cup of coffee. I would like to order an egg dosa. I would like to order biryani. Okay, I would like to order. Do you have vegetarian options? Do you have vegetarian options? Nowadays, so many people are turning out to be vegans, right? So, if you are a vegan and you find a lot of non-veg items there, then you can definitely ask the waiter, can you have vegetarian options? Can I have some water, please? Can I have some water, please? Can you pass the salt, please? Can you pass the salt, please? Can I try this on? Can I try this on? If you go to a shopping mall and if you want to try a dress, then you can ask, can I try this on? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your email address? What's your email address? Do you have a mobile? Do you have a mobile? Of course you are having a mobile. That is the reason you are watching this video, right? Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? Can you fix this? Can you fix this? If something has broken and you are not able to fix it, you can ask someone for help, right? Then you can use this phrase. Can you fix this? My camera was broken. Can you fix this? Can you show me how to do it? Can you show me how to do it? For example, if you are editing a video, because I can give example that is relatable to me, right? So I am giving this example. If you are editing a video and you are not knowing how to use a particular feature, then you can ask someone who knows about it, right? You can ask them, can you show me how to do it? Can you show me how to do it? It means that you are asking them to show you each and every step how to use that particular feature, right? Did you get it? Can you show me how to do it? Can you lend me a pencil? Can you lend me a pencil? It means that can I borrow your pencil? Can you lend me a pencil? Can I have a ride? Can I have a ride? Can you call a taxi for me? Can you call a taxi for me? Can you wake me up at 5:30? Can you wake me up at 5:30? It is a routine dialogue that I tell to my mom. Can you wake me up at 5:30? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite music? What's your favorite music? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite YouTube channel? What's your favorite YouTube channel? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? I like to shoot videos. What do you like to do in your free time? How was your day? How was your day? My day was quite pleasant. How was your day? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? I went to the shopping mall yesterday. What did you do yesterday? What are your plans for the weekend? What are your plans for the weekend? Do you want to hang out? Do you want to hang out? It means that just do you want to go out? Go roam outside like that. Do you want to hang out? Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's grab a cup of coffee. Let's grab a cup of coffee. Let's watch a movie on Netflix. Let's watch a movie on Netflix. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Let's go out to eat. Let's go out to eat. Let's go for a drive. Let's go for a drive. Let's go for a run. Let's go for a run. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Let's study together. Let's study together. Let's cook dinner together. Let's cook dinner together. How many times did you cook dinner along with your spouse? Let's cook dinner together. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's hit the sack. Let's hit the sack. It means let's just go to sleep. Let's hit the sack. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please don't forget to share it to your friends and family members. And if you find it worthful and helpful to you, please subscribe the channel if you're new. Thank you so much for joining me till the end. See you soon tomorrow with another interesting video. I hope you would join me tomorrow for sure without fail.